Hey guys, my name is Saad and welcome back to our weekly recap on its new home on YouTube. And this here is a brand new 2025 BMW M5 Touring that we've just wrapped in color change paint protection film. Now we have done a full feature on this car on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, so I won't go into it too much, so be sure to check that out. But the owner of the car, Jess, is here, so let's call her on board. Jess, how you going? Now this is your car, I believe?
Yes, part or half of it is, yeah.
Okay, which half is yours?
The fast half.
Excellent. So the petrol half, not the electric half.
Correct.
Awesome.
Spot on.
Now, why did you choose this color out of the 100 colors that were available?
We are involved with Anytime Fitness Australia, and obviously, which is purple. So we'd love to have a little bit of a purple bling out there, and it's just I mean, look at it.
Yeah.
It's so damn cool. Let's be real.
And look, as you can probably tell, purple is my favorite color as well. You got there. So, I've actually wrapped my car purple as well, which you'll probably see later on. Are you happy with the result? What do you think of it?
Oh, it's bloody awesome. It's a head turner. It's going to be a real cool head turner out there. It's going to be awesome.
Awesome. Anything you want to say to our viewers out there or anyone else who's considering getting their car done with us?
Oh, just do it. It's been such an easy process. It's been so good. The guys have been amazing. And I mean, this is our second car now being wrapped and I love it. We'll be back.
Thank you so much, Jess. Now, moving on, guys, we've got another car in colored paint protection film. It's all happening this week, guys. I've got no idea what's going on. It's kind of like, when it rains, it pours. All of a sudden, I think Jess just must have inspired some other people because we posted online and people started contacting us. This here is one of my favorite cars ever made. So much so that I bought one, as you guys all know. Mine is red. Honda Civic Type R FL5 had 8,000 Ks on it. Was black. It's come to us for paint protection film in color. This color is called forest green. I'm sure you can guess why. We also have a full feature on this car, so be sure to check that one out. Colored paint protection film, guys, it just looks so good. It looks better than most factory paint jobs. Yeah, sure, if you get a custom paint job, wet sand it, smooth it out, yeah, that looks better. But this, honestly, it looks so much better than most paint jobs. It looks better than the factory paint job, and it looks so much better than vinyl. There's no comparison. Yeah, it's twice the price of, a vinyl wrap, but it's like 10 times better. So honestly, color paint protection film, guys, it's not for everyone. I personally still think that you should buy a car in the color that you want and then protect it with clear film, but sometimes the color you want is not available. So in that case, buy black and then wrap it in color change PPF. The reason you want to do it in black is, I'll show you here. So if you open the doors up, you see the door jambs are black, right? Imagine this car was, I don't know, blue or red or even white. You open it up, it's going to look really weird. It's just not going to look right. It's going to be these clashing colors. Whereas here, you open it up, it's just black. It's not offensive. It looks great. If you really want us to, we can wrap the door jambs. It like doubles the price. That's honestly not worth it. But this looks great. There's no clashing there. There's no weirdness going on. And the other thing is also, black doesn't show through. So imagine you've got a car like, I don't know, an older Tesla with really shoddy panel gaps, and imagine it was white. You would see the white come through some of the edges unless you dismantle the car completely and you wrap it in really deep, which is just not practical and gets quite expensive as well. So here as well, for example, you might see some white there on the inside just through the panel gaps. With black, you don't see that. So I personally think, guys, what's going to happen in the future, and you're seeing this with a lot of brands, is that colors are going to be limited. You're probably going to be able to buy new cars in black, white, maybe silver. If you look at, like, say, I don't know, the new BYDs, they come in a black, a gray, and this kind of bluey gray color. Porsche now as well. Yeah, you can get all sorts of amazing colors, but they're generally PTS. You got to pay a lot of money. The standard colors are your black, white, crayon. No, I think crayons you got to pay for, but black, white, gray, there's maybe a red there. But I think the way the automotive industry is moving, it's going to be, the manufacturers will probably offer some sort of factory wrap, and it's just the way things are. As private equity takes over the world, I suppose, and people are all about trying to maximize value for shareholders. It's from an economy of scale production and making things easy. Whilst manufacturing, having just 2 or 3 colors just makes sense. I'm not a fan of it, but you can't fight change. Another BMW, guys, G80 M3, one of our most common cars that we do here as well, in for full paint protection film in clear, not color. Like I alluded to earlier, white is not the best color to be doing a color change on. Yeah, it can be done, not something I recommend. Hey guys, quick message. If you're enjoying the video and like our content, please hit subscribe. Back to the video. Surprise, surprise, guys. Another week, another GT3. As I mentioned last year, I think Porsche are giving them away. We've got this one here. We've got another one sitting outside, which you'll see next week. So, yeah, GT3s after GT3. This one here, Ford Ranger, full X-Bar paint protection film. This one is done and ready to go. almost full. We didn't do the roof. We didn't do the bumpers. The front rear bumpers are aftermarket and have this like powder coating finish on them. It's super durable, super tough. I think Kai is just putting it back together. Let's speak to Kai, actually, see what he's up to. Kai, buddy, how are you?
Oh, hanging out.
Awesome. What are you up to? What's been happening this week? Anything interesting?
Well, there's two really cool cars for me to do. We have a blue RX-8 that's in for a two-step correction, and it's got some like concrete deposits that have come from this owner's garage where water has dripped from the concrete down onto the car, and then those have dried and left the remnants of whatever is in the concrete water on the car.
So concrete water is on the car. So it's concrete, basically.
Yeah, it's concrete, it's deposits, it's like calcium, but worse.
What do we use to remove that?
We're gonna have a good hit with a little bit of acid, and then just taking it slowly, of course, as to not damage the paint underneath. If it's etched underneath, that's when we give the customer a call and be like, hey, this has happened, it's gonna need repainting, that sort of thing.
Or coloured PPF.
Or coloured PPF. I don't know how he feels about that because he likes the stickers on the car. And then the other one is a 69 C2 Corvette. It's in for a pre-sale detail. So
yeah, I think someone's coming to see that on this weekend. So he called us like, oh, we need this car cleaned, detailed ASAP. I started talking through the various options to make it perfect. He was like, no, he just wants it clean, which is a shame because I would have loved for him to leave the car with us and we spend like 40 hours detailing it. But he's literally after like a 10-hour job.
Yeah, this is what happens. It's always the intentions of what you're going to be doing with the car. If you're going to be looking to sell it, I don't think you should really be paying too much attention to the detail and everything because you're going to be getting rid of it, right?
Well, it depends on the car. I think if you had like a $300,000 car, spending $3,000 on getting a detail to get the maximum value is probably a good idea. I certainly think though on some cars, spending the money on getting it detailed and presenting as well as possible really helps. Like over the years, I've done a few like old Porsches and we spent ages on them, and honestly, the owner did get that money back, I think.
Yeah, look, that'll always help. Sometimes the owner's just not after, a solid 2-step, 3-step correction if they're going to sell it. But that's why we like customers that are keeping their cars and want it like really proper refresh, because then I can spend all the time, make it really shiny.
Kai, thank you very much. Anything else you want to say to our audience out there?
Try not to verge into motorcycles. Thanks,
Kai. Ford Ranger is already done. Let's look at this. What is this car? This is a BMW iX M60. Look, I love BMWs. I think the M thing is being played a bit too much. I believe this is some sort of electric car. It looks great. It's got some really cool features I'll get Matteo to show us about. I remember putting an M badge on it. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I feel the brand is being diluted. So let's talk to Matteo. We've got Gary here as well, guys. Now, Gary, you would have seen last week. He has actually now joined our team. He passed his trial period. He's a bit shy, so he said he doesn't want to be on camera this week, but maybe next week we'll get him on and you can all get to know him. So, Matteo, how you been, buddy? You're washing a car today. Why are you washing a car? I've never seen you wash a car before.
Yeah, I'm just going back in time a little. Today I'm just prepping cars for PPF.
Yeah, it's Wednesday and I think everyone's back to school. So Mikey's not here today and nor's Andy. I think Andy's back at uni, so they'll be in tomorrow. But during the holidays, Mikey was here every day. So do you miss Mikey?
Yeah, a lot.
Tell me about this car. What are we doing?
Yeah, we're doing front end PPF, then paint correction and ceramic coat the rest of the car.
Awesome. So tell me about, well, tell our viewers rather, because I know, there's no point in telling me, I already know this, but let's tell our viewers what you do, like because you're pretty pedantic when it comes to prep, aren't you? You're like the most anal person there is.
Yeah, I had to bring the car in the booth, get everything ready to start the PPF, and then came back to the wash bay. I hate to do that, so I make sure it's 10 of 10, and then we can start the PPF.
Matteo, show me, you took this badge off. Show me what's going on there with this badge.
Yeah, so in this hole, it's the BMW badge situated, which has like a small gap to let the rainwater, I'm guessing, go through to collect the water into this pipe. And we reckon it's for the windshield washer. That's the most probably thing. And also this car has like a carbon fiber frame.
Yeah, this is really cool actually. If you look at this, it looks like it's got colored PPF. But like, yeah, this car's made of carbon fiber or something. Look at that, you open the door. This whole thing, it's, I don't know, some sort of space age material. That's hectic. I don't think it should have the M badge on it though. What do you think? It shouldn't be an M, should it, Matteo?
I think they are doing a very good business on marketing with the M letter.
Yeah.
So
M is for marketing.
yeah,
Anything else, Mateo?
nah, that's all.
Awesome. Mikey is not here today, so unfortunately you're not going to see his usual antics and him talking whatever nonsense he talks. But Mikey will love you, and Mikey loves everyone. Guys, my E46 M3. I decided to wrap it with some Expel colored PPF. The car needed a repaint. Actually, didn't need a repaint. The paint was in great condition, but in order to make it perfect, the car at some stage was going to need a respray. And me being me, I was going to do like a full bare metal one and spend a lot of money, which I don't have. So, and I really wanted to respray it purple, like the 90s BMW purple, which is BMW Techno Violet metallic. Awesome color. But the paint overall was in great condition, had a few swirls and stuff. We polished it out. You know, obviously, it's an old car, 140,000 Ks, had a few stone chips here and there, normal things to be expected. But we prepped the car, took the original PPF off, and we've installed the Expel color PPF. Now, it doesn't look great right now, guys, because it hasn't been wiped down or washed afterwards. It's got all soap residue and stuff on there, and the film is still settling. But far out, this color is amazing. Like, I've been toying with selling this car, just because I have too many cars, and you know, I'm going through this whole kind of like simplistic minimalism midlife crisis thing where I'm like, yeah, own nothing, just be real minimal, and just own 2 shoes and 2 pairs of pants and 2 t-shirts and stuff. I'm not sure if that's going to happen. I'm looking at this car now and I'm like, bloody hell, this thing looks amazing. What I am going to do though, I mean, look, the brake calipers are purple, like they pretty much match. It's pretty much the same shade of purple. Hey, I'm going to put the chrome grills back on there, the chrome grills back there to match the silver, and just, yeah, it's just I can't wait to share this with everyone when it's all good to go. But really happy with it. It's I love this color. I don't know if I'll sell it now, but you know, I think if I do end up selling it, it's not going to be cheap. It's going to be expensive. Color PPF is worth a lot. It's had the rod bearings done. It's had everything done to it, all the maintenance, all the upgrades. It's just a sorted package. But yeah, I don't know, like, it's a tough one. I've had this car for so long. I never thought I would sell it. And I've been thinking about it because, you know, I've got this, I've got the Porsche, the Honda, and I've got the Nissan that's sitting out the back. It's been there for years. And I've been thinking maybe I should sell this and fix up the Nissan, put the engine in it. And then the Nissan becomes the kind of like hardcore car. Because this kind of, it's this weird gap where it's not an analog car and it's not a digital car. So it's this kind of weird, you know, late 90s, early 2000s era where like the traction control and ABS in this is kind of garbage compared to modern cars, but it's still there and interferes. Whereas in the Nissan, it doesn't really interfere. The ABS, it has ABS, but it doesn't work and it doesn't have traction control. So yeah, I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments. Do you think I should sell this car? And if so, maybe you guys can buy it. Finally, guys, we've got this Golf R here in for an insurance job. Just getting the front bumper re-PPF'd after it got a scuff on there. Not a big deal. Give it a wash. I think we PPF'd and coated this a couple of years ago. Belongs to a real old-time customer of ours. Done lots of cars for them. And she's actually a Holden person. Has quite a nice collection of HSVs, but got the Golf R. It's an R, isn't it? Yeah, Golf R Mark 8 as the daily. I think did this 2 years ago. All right, guys, I think that's everything. Not much more else to say this week. Hope you enjoyed that. It's been a crazy few weeks. If you got any comments, please leave them below. Please subscribe. And until next time, stay protected.